Snapshot, new series premiere, the CWs All American, 0. To Live+Same day rating in 18 to 49, 710,000 viewers. Oh, boy. The CW debuted its highest-profile new fall series last night, All American, and it didn't go so well. The series, about a talented teen football player from Crenshaw recruited by a Beverly Hills high school, opened to 710,000 total viewers and a 0.2 rating in adults 18 to 49, Live+Same day. It held on to less than half of its Riverdale lead-in, 0.515 million.
While supported by an extensive marketing campaign and carrying the Berlanti Prods pedigree, All American, a cross between the O and Friday Night Lights, is softer and more grounded than other over-the-top, noisy and twisty CW high school dramas like Gossip Girl, 90,210 or Riverdale. That may have factored into the soft premiere numbers, which I think are the lowest for a fall new CW series debut. All American's opener was on par with the March premiere in the time slot, with a comparable Riverdale lead-in, of Life Sentence, which didn't last beyond a short mid-season run. Delayed/multi-platform viewing would be crucial for All American, as the CW brass are known for supporting series based on their confidence in the creative, so they would likely try to stick with the drama if it shows signs of life on digital platforms.
As for Riverdale, the soapy thriller was off from its series high Season 2 premiere numbers, 0.823 million, but was on par with its Season 2 average and up from the finale. It was pretty good news all around for the other broadcast networks. No, we didn't get a Big 4 Wednesday series rising above the 1.5 adults 18 to 49 rating, L+SD, but we had a few ratings upticks and a lot of series holding as shows are starting to settle into their fall ratings levels. CBS Survivor, 1.576 million, and Fox's Empire, 1.551 million, repeated as tied for No. 1 among adults 18 to 49, both even with last week in the demo while adding a few eyeballs. It is still a demo low for the Fox hip-hop drama. Things were looking up for CBS Wednesday dramas, SEAL Team, 0.956 million, and Criminal Minds, 0.846 million, both inching up a tenth in the demo from their soft openers last week when the Season 2 premiere of SEAL Team matched a series demo low and veteran Criminal Minds hit series lows. Also logging an uptick of
0.118 to 49 ratings point was Fox's Star, 1.343 million. Fox once again ranked as the top network on the night in the demo. NBC's One Chicago lineup continues to impress. After upticks for 2 of the series and a hold for the 3rd with the first crossover last week, there was no letdown last night. Chicago Med, 1.38 million. Chicago Fire, 1.382 million. And Chicago PD, 1.271 million, all were on par, avoiding the typical post-crossover ratings drops. Chicago Fire was the top program of the night in total viewers, logging its most-watched regular slot episode in 5 years, since Tuesday, April 26, 2016, when it had a voice lead-in. NBC tonned the night in total viewers. After a sizable Week 2 drop, ABC's A Million Little Things, 0.837 million, stabilized in Week 3, even with its Week 2 demo delivery. Fellow ABC Wednesday rookie Single Parents, 1.037 million, is still sliding, down a tenth from last week despite its lead-in. Modern Family, 1.451
million, holding steady. Also even week to week was 8 p.m. anchor The Goldbergs, 1.351 million, while American Housewife, 1.043 million, ticked down a tenth.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel now to miss new, interesting videos.